I spent 4 months and $1,500 testing 15 car gadgets nobody told me about. 5 changed how I drive, and number 1 makes your headlights look pointless. Subscribe. I test this stuff so you don't burn money on garbage. Here's the catch. Number 1 is already in some cars on your street. You just don't know what it is. Number 15. TICARVE Cleaning Gel. $8. Sticky putty that grabs every dust speck in your air vents, cup holders, and seat seams. First time I used it, the gel came out gray. My car was supposedly clean. Reaches places no vacuum can. The TikTok kids keep one on a shelf for a reason, and after one pass through your vents, you'll know why. At 14, resqme Keychain, $12. Tiny orange tool that clips on your keys. One end shatters tempered glass, the other cuts a seatbelt in a single second. NHTSA tested, used by first responders. I bought mine after reading about a guy who couldn't escape his sinking car. He had keys in his hand, he just didn't have this on them. Number 13. Lanpard Faraday Bag, $10 for 2. Slip your key fob inside, kills the signal completely. Why does that matter? Thieves with a $40 amplifier stand outside your door. Boost your fob through the wall and drive your car away while you sleep. Look up relay theft. It's everywhere. 1 pouch for your fob, 1 for the spare. Done. At 12, Wagan Brightline LED flares, $25. 3 magnetic discs that snap on your roof and pulse so bright that drivers a quarter mile back hit their brakes. 9 flash modes, USB rechargeable, drop them on wet asphalt. They don't roll away. The single-use red flares your dad kept in the trunk are dead. These are the upgrade nobody told you about. Number 11. Govee car LED strips, $29. Every inch of the strip glows a different color. The tech name is RGBIC. A built-in mic syncs the pattern to whatever's playing. Installed this in a friend's 2016 Hyundai. He drives a Hyundai now? Sorry, he drives a spaceship at night. 16 million colors, 10-minute install. Cheapest new car feeling on this list. That's the budget tier. Top 10 starts now. Every gadget in this next group I'd buy again tomorrow. If this is useful, you know what to do with the like button. At 10, EcoNour steering wheel desk, $10. Folding tray that clamps on your steering wheel and turns into a flat desk in 2 seconds. Eat lunch in a parking lot, sign paperwork at a drive-thru. Hold a laptop during a Zoom you couldn't escape. I keep mine in my glove box and pull it out maybe twice a month. Each time, it saves me from balancing food on my lap. Best $10 on this list. Number 9. Anker Prime MagSafe car charger, $60. Snaps onto your air vent. Your phone snaps to the magnet. Charges at 25 watts. Qi 2 certified, the fastest standard out right now. The new trick, built-in thermoelectric cooling. Phone stays cool in a sun-baked car, which means it actually charges instead of throttling down. I sat in a 95-degree garage on purpose just to test it. Phone went from 12% to 70% in 35 minutes. Anker quality, worth every dollar. At 8, TOPDON BT100 battery tester, $52. Tells you your battery's about to die 3 weeks before it actually does. Clamp it on the terminals. 3 seconds later, you get state of health, cold cranking amps, and whether your alternator is dying. AAA shows up after you're stranded. This shows up first. My neighbor's wife was driving to Phoenix, tested her battery, replaced it before she left. He owes me dinner now. Number 7. AstroAI L7 Cordless Inflator, $20. Set the PSI, press start, walk away. It stops itself when the tire hits the number. No overinflation, no guessing. Cordless, USB-C rechargeable, with adapters for bikes and basketballs. Gas station pumps want $1.50 to maybe work. This one lives in your trunk forever, charged when you need it. Use the auto stop once, and you can't go back. At 6, LandAirSea 54 GPS tracker, $15. Magnetic, matchbox-sized, made in the USA. Sticks under your bumper or in your wheel well. Completely hidden. Streams real-time location to your phone. Made for fleet managers and worried parents. Now used by anyone who's had their car stolen exactly 1 time, and 1 police report that turned up nothing. After the deductible on a stolen car, $15 looks like the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Top 5 starts now. Every gadget from here has at least one feature that'll make you say, "Wait, that exists?" If this is helping, hit like. Comment your guess for number 1 before the reveal. Top 5. Number 5. Fixed Bluetooth OBD2, $40. Plugs into the port under your steering wheel, connects to your phone, translates your check engine light into actual English, oxygen sensor bank 1 instead of P1171, tracks 7,000 codes, monitors recalls, predicts service intervals before they actually become problems. My check engine light came on last winter. Dealership wanted $135 just to read the code. Fixed told me in 5 seconds it was a loose gas cap. I tightened it. Light gone. Saved $135. Bought one for my brother for Christmas. He still uses it. At 4, iOttie AutoSense 2, $60. Wireless charger that opens its arms when your hand approaches and snaps closed around your phone. No buttons, no grabbing the mount. Hold the phone near it, and it grabs. The first time it happened, I flinched and pulled my hand back. It looks like a robot reaching for your phone. Charges through any case under 3 millimeters. Holds tight through potholes, speed bumps, and a railroad crossing I should have slowed down for. The future of car mounts is here for $60. Number 3. Rockville RW10CA Underseat Subwoofer, $160. 800 watts of bass that slides under your driver's seat. Built-in amplifier, wired bass knob. Takes 30 minutes to wire if you've never touched car audio in your life. I put one in a 2018 Civic with factory speakers. First bass hit, my buddy in the passenger seat laughed out loud. The whole car felt different. The factory radio suddenly sounded like a real stereo. You don't need a $2,000 audio shop install and a week of patience. You need this. At 2, Carpuride 10.26-inch portable wireless CarPlay, $110. Suction mount it to any dashboard, and your 2010 Camry instantly runs Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless, both, simultaneously. Maps, music, voice messages, all on a screen bigger than your factory radio ever was. My uncle drives a 2012 Tacoma he refuses to trade in. Bought him this for his birthday. He called me at 7 a.m. the next morning just to say thank you. 3 years later, he's still driving that Tacoma. Old cars become new cars for $110. One left. Number 1 was already teased. Your headlights look pointless next to it. It's on some cars on your street. Here it is. Number 1. LANMODO Vast Pro, $450. 3 reasons this is number 1. First, it's the only camera at this price that gives you full color night vision, not thermal, not green tinted IR. A Sony CMOS sensor reads pedestrians, animals, and road shapes 1,350 feet past where your headlights stop. Second, the 8-inch dashboard display shows what your eyes cannot see. You'll spot a deer 400 feet earlier, the difference between a brake tap and a wreck. Third, the rear camera is IP67 waterproof. Hardwire it once, forget it forever. First country road I drove with this running, I caught a pickup with no taillights 2 corners ahead. Without LANMODO, I'd have been rear-ending it. Drive at night? This is it. Comment which gadget you're installing first. I'm reading every one. Hit like if I saved you a bad purchase. Subscribe. I drop honest tests every single week. Next video, 5 gadgets that should be illegal. They're not. Stop letting these sit in your cart. Install one before sunset.